Welcome to the skill building workshop on Arduino. I am Mr. Rahul Shimpi, RJ's World of Electronics, Nasik. Let us start with interfacing to the real world devices. In this session, we will learn connect a LED to the Arduino board, write a program to blink the LED, connect multiple LEDs with Arduino board, write a program to generate different patterns like even odd LEDs, alternate LEDs, changing of LEDs from left to right or right to left. We required some external devices such as LED, resistor, breadboard, jumper wires. Let us see the image of the external LED that is required for this experiment. It has two terminals. The longest terminal is anode and the shortest terminal is cathode. Let us see the connection circuit details. Connect anode of the LED to any digital pin of the Arduino and the cathode terminal of LED to the ground pin of the Arduino through a current limiting resistor. Let me show you the live demo. We have connected the LED and the resistor as per the circuit diagram shown in the slide. Let us open the Arduino IDE. In the circuit diagram, pin number 13 is connected to the anode of the LED. In the Arduino IDE, type pin mode open bracket 13 comma output bracket close semicolon. Next, we will write the code for the void loop function. Type digital write open bracket 13 comma high bracket close semicolon. Delay open bracket 1000 bracket close semicolon. This delay function pauses the code for 1 second. Next, digital write open bracket 13 comma low bracket close semicolon. Again write delay open bracket 1000 bracket close semicolon. These 4 lines of code will blink the LED with a delay of 1 second. Let us save this program. Click on File, Save. Alternately, you can use the shortcut keys from keyboard Ctrl and S. Give the appropriate path. I want to save this file on desktop, so click on Desktop. Assign the name to this sketch. We can edit it. So, sketch name or file name is LED underscore blink without any extension. Now click on Save button. So you can see the sketch name change to LED underscore blink. The next step is to compile and upload the program. From the sketch menu, click on compile. So it will compile our sketch. You can see the status at the bottom of the IDE. Done compiling. To upload the program to the microcontroller, click on the sketch menu and then upload. We can see that the LED is blinking. Now I will show you how to connect multiple LEDs with Arduino. Let us see the connection circuit details. In the circuit diagram, notice that pin number 8 is connected to the anode of the green LED. Pin number 9 is connected to the anode of the yellow LED. Pin number 10 is connected to the anode of the red LED. And cathode pin of all LEDs connected to the ground pin of the Arduino board. Let me show you the live demonstration. I have connected LEDs and the resistors as per the circuit diagram shown in the slide. Now we have to write a program for this circuit. First, I will write a sketch for chasing of LEDs from left to right. Let us open the Arduino IDE. Configure the pins of the Arduino as output. So, in the Arduino IDE, type pin mode, open bracket, 8, output, bracket close, semicolon. Again, pin mode, open bracket, 9, output, bracket close, semicolon. Again, pin mode, open bracket, 10, output, bracket close, semicolon. Next, we will write the code for the void loop function. As I want to turn on one LED at a time and other should be in the off state. So type digital write 10, high, bracket close, semicolon. This function serves the high voltage to pin number 10. Now write digital write, open bracket, 9, low, bracket close, semicolon. This function serves low voltage to pin number 9. Type digital write, open bracket, 8, low, bracket close, semicolon. This function serves low voltage to pin number 8. Type delay, open bracket, 1000, bracket close, semicolon. This function pauses the code for 1 second. Copy and paste the same code and change the value in digital write function. Now turn off the first and last LED, so type low in digital write function for pin 10 and pin 8. Type high in digital write function for pin number 9. It will turn on the second LED. Again, copy and paste the same code and change the value in digital write function. So modify the function. First and second low and third is high. These lines of code will turn on one LED at a time with a delay of 1 second. Let us save this program. Click on File and Save. Alternately, you can use shortcut keys from keyboard Ctrl S. Click on it. Enter the file name LEDs underscore multi without any extension. Save this file. Now the next step is to compile and upload the program. From the sketch, click on Verify. So it will compile the sketch. To upload the program to the microcontroller, click on the sketch and upload. We can see that the red, yellow and green LEDs are blinking one by one from top to bottom. To change the chasing direction from bottom to top, modify the code in loop function. First, turn on the green LED so that the last four lines of the code type first, middle part keep as it is, and the first four lines of the code type at last. So accordingly, change the code. So first four lines at the last and the last four lines are at the top. Save it, compile and upload the sketch. See the output. Now LEDs are blinking from bottom to top. To blink alternate LEDs, modify the code in loop function. Type digital write open bracket 10 comma high bracket close semicolon. Again type or copy paste the same line and then modify digital write open bracket 8 comma high. So this line will turn on the LEDs at pin number 10 and pin number 8. It means odd LEDs on. At that time even LED off. So type digital write open bracket 9 comma low bracket close semicolon delay function of 1000 millisecond, that is 1 second. Now copy paste these lines and modify the digital write function. So now make pin number 10 low, pin number 8 low and pin number 9 high. Save the sketch. Even underscore odd without any extension. Click on save. Now next step is compile and upload the sketch. See the output. Even LEDs glows that time, odd LEDs off and vice versa. In this way, we can generate the different patterns. This brings us to the end of this session. Thank you.